How to use University of Bern Honors Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The University of Bern is a top-ranked Swiss university, but many beginners make mistakes that affect their experience and academic success. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is underestimating course planning. Most people get this wrong by registering for classes without reviewing prerequisites or workload. Always check course descriptions. Plan your semester in advance and balance challenging courses with lighter ones to avoid burnout. Second mistake, ignoring administrative deadlines. You won't believe how many students miss key dates for enrollment exams or housing applications. Keep a calendar of deadlines and set reminders to stay on track. Third mistake, underutilizing university resources. The surprising truth is Bern offers extensive support, from libraries and labs to career services and counselling. Beginners often overlook these, missing opportunities to enhance learning and professional growth. Fourth mistake, not engaging with professors and peers. Networking is crucial. Attend office hours, join study groups and participate in campus events to gain insights and build connections that last beyond graduation. Finally, failing to manage finances is common. Switzerland can be expensive, and students often underestimate living costs. Create a budget, explore scholarships or grants, and use student discounts to manage expenses effectively. By planning courses carefully, tracking deadlines, leveraging resources, building connections, and managing finances, you can make the most of your University of Bern experience. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your time in Switzerland will be productive, enjoyable, and professionally rewarding.